Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into products that matter. Today, we're showcasing the best gray wood look 10mm laminate flooring you can get your hands on. If you're looking to upgrade your floors with something that's as durable as it is beautiful, this one might just be your final stop. This laminate flooring isn't your ordinary wood look surface. It's built with a rigid core and offers superior surface strength that's engineered to handle the toughest environments. Perfect for high-traffic homes, busy offices, or any commercial space where looks and longevity both matter. Now let's talk about water. That means whether you're installing it in your kitchen, bathroom, or entryway, it can take on spills, splashes, and humidity like a pro. Forget the stress of swollen planks or warped edges. This flooring holds its shape, no matter the moisture. And it's not just water. We're talking fire resistance, too. In environments where safety is a concern, having a fireproof flooring solution adds a layer of peace of mind. And speaking of resilience, it's wear-resistant, scratch-resistant, and built to handle abrasion. So kids, pets, dragging chairs, or the occasional dropped tool won't leave their mark. Underneath its stunning gray wood finish is a high-strength core that offers exceptional stability. There's no expansion, no shifting under pressure, and no compromise over time. That means once it's installed, it stays put, a solid, dependable surface you can trust. Each plank is designed to lock together seamlessly, offering a professional finish whether you're doing it yourself or hiring an installer. The 10mm thickness gives you a solid underfoot feel, and the wood look texture brings an elevated aesthetic to your space, modern, clean, and versatile enough to work with virtually any decor style. This particular color, a soft, neutral gray, is the ideal blend of warmth and sophistication. It enhances light in smaller spaces and balances beautifully with everything from white walls to bold color schemes. With every step, you'll feel the quality. So if you're in the market for flooring that works as hard as you do, the ProFlex Gray Wood Look 10mm laminate flooring might just be what your space needs. No gimmicks, no compromises, just a rock-solid, high-performance floor with a timeless design. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product insights. See you in the next one.